course, it is winter. The days are getting shorter. Do you know what?
What?
Galway City, it's a great place to visit for a short city break.
It certainly is. And earlier this week, Deric soaked up the atmosphere of winter in Galway and Salthill. So let's have a look at how he got on.
Now, although it's definitely time for the winter woolies, there are so many places afoot na tíre right around the country to explore over the coming winter months. And one of Fáilte Ireland's must-visit hotspots is, of course, County Galway, Cúnta na Galway, and that's what's brought us down here to stunning Salthill in Acalash for some exploring. Salthill is only a stone's throw away from Galway City and is a popular place to visit during the summer months if you fancy a dip in the sea or indeed a walk along the prom. But there's certainly plenty to do during the winter months, like a visit to the aquarium. Located just along the scenic shores of Salthill, overlooking beautiful Galway Bay, Galway Atlantaquaria offers a unique fun and educational insight into Ireland's rivers, lakes and oceans. So let's head inside and check it out. Ivana, we've landed inside this beautiful aquarium. Tell us a little bit about it.
So it's open 25 years this year, and I suppose it's so exciting and it's amazing for Galway to have a facility like this. It's got 70 different species of native fish. The ethos for the aquarium has always been around education, information and conservation. And over the years, the addition of different species, the way that they are showcased, and the guest experience as they come through the aquarium has all really evolved. It's a real focus on native species, and you can, as you can see, you can get up close and personal with the native species that you could never do if you walked into the sea, which is directly across the road from us. So what you'll find is there isn't a lot of digital assets here within the aquarium. It's about coming and being fully immersed in this marine experience.
Now, of course, there's a big focus on conservation. Tell us about some of the outreach projects that the aquarium are involved in.
So the aquarium are amazing at community outreach. Once a month, they do a community outreach where they go along the shoreline and they do education and conservation, and they do a beach clean.
And Ivana, I believe there are a couple of surprises en route as well.
There really are. Don't get too comfortable. I've been caught a couple of times myself.
From the aquarium is Micil Distillery. Steeped in history, Micil Distillery has a great story to tell as they incorporate crafting of alcohol, local history craft, with cúpla focal also thrown in. Deric, we're here in Micil Distillery. First up on Tannum, the name, where did it come from?
So Micil was my great-great-great-grandfather. We've been distilling for over 170 years and 6 generations in the family. And my brother and I are the first ones in the family to do it legally. Okay, and of course on Nathron, but half an hour west from here, this is where the family set up the business, this is where it all began. Yeah, so we started distilling in Nathron, as you said, all that time ago, and we've kept it alive since. Now tell us a little bit about the facility you have down here. We're in the middle of the Wild Atlantic Way in Galway City, and I suppose we would be one of those kind of visitor attractions that people can kind of come and do something different, learn a bit about you know, our poutine, whiskey culture, that kind of thing. We make whiskey, gin, poutine, cream liqueur, so lots of different products to choose from. We're quite small, and one of the benefits here actually is that you are actually able to see the distillery in operation. It's all here. Do you still cut your own turf? We do, and we've actually had some very interesting visitors with us. So we've had the likes of Gordon Ramsay, we did a show with him, a travel show, we did a travel show with Eugene Levy, and we've had a number of other European chefs in with us as well. I mean, there's a great visitor experience here. What can people expect when they come down to see? So they're going to learn a bit about poutine and whiskey and whatever else we make, but maybe more importantly, they kind of learn about sort of a bit of the history around where these things come from. It's a bit of crack. You know, there's always laughter. Agus páir tá cultúra ábhar an tuairsa dhéanamh trí goige agus trí beirle freisin. Tá. So tá dá ráháin, táras trí réilgeanú, táras trí beirle. On the chuid is moved and the daoine hagan, so most of the people that come will do it through English, but the other option is there as well, which is nice. What makes Micil Distillery so special? It's the traditions that we've kept up, the local ingredients, the bit of crack that people get when they come here, combine them all together, and of course the modern drinks that we make. That's what makes it special.
Well, Vishe Shinga Hintaka, a wonderful experience and great to see so many generations of a family involved. Now, whether you're paying a visit to Cúnta na Gaillimh in the spring, summer, autumn, or indeed in the winter, there's always buskers on the street and music echoing from the bars. So following a busy day of sightseeing, no better way to sit back, relax, enjoy a bit of craic agus ceol by paying a visit to Tass Bar in the heart of Galway City. So, Pádraig, we're in the middle of Shop Street here. We're in Taft's Pub, and of course, this is your family pub. Tell us about the connection.
Absolutely, Deric. Yeah, very welcome to Galway, welcome to Taft's. So, our family have been here since 1988. October 1988, we took over the pub. Back then, it was a very quiet pub, and my father got a brainwave to introduce some Irish music into the pub. Started off with one session a day, and it grew from there. And yeah, 37 years, you don't feel the years going.
No, absolutely. And of course, you're known for a mean pint to Guinness, right?
Absolutely.
But as you mentioned, the music, and it's all about the music because that's a big draw here, isn't it?
Absolutely. Well, to be honest, we're spoiled in Galway for great pubs with great music, and we're lucky to be one of them. We've great musicians, world-class musicians that come in.
I noticed looking around the pub here, there's a lot of famous faces on the walls. Who have you got? Who's paid a visit?
Bits of everything, really, from TV stars to GAA stars to rugby stars to comedians. We've had bits of everything.
You must be very proud of your family ties and your family connection here.
Absolutely, Deric. Yeah, like I said, we've been here since 1988, so it's a lot of blood, sweat and tears, but we've enjoyed every day of it. We come into work every day with a smile on our face, give our customers a Galway welcome when they come in the door, and welcome them back, you know, so we really enjoy it. We love what we're doing, and long may it last.
I spot a hot chocolate on the table. I'm going to sit back, relax and enjoy a bit more.
Cheers, Deric.
So there we have it. County Galway is a great place to visit, whether you're walking the streets, you're strolling the prom, or popping in for a live music session, whatever the weather, especially in the heart of winter. As they say in this neck of the woods, from here, west is best.
Oh, what a gorgeous day when it's beautiful in Galway.
I tell you, I love a little weekend visit to Galway. It's always great fun.
You on Shop Street. Where'd you go?
Shop Street. Now, would that be telling you now?
I was just about to say, that would be telling you what a great session to be having in Taft's and everywhere around.
Yeah, it is a great city for a short break and always guaranteed fun.
Brilliant. Now, for more information on short city breaks like Galway City, you can go on to DiscoverIreland.ie.